how to advertise on TikTok. If you want to advertise on TikTok, here's the tutorial. Open TikTok on your phone. Click profile icon at bottom right. And click triple line at the top right. Click Creator Tools. Scroll to More Tools and click Promote. Choose your goal, more video views or more followers or more profile views. For example, more video views. And then select your content that you want to promote. Maybe for this video. And choose a promotion pack. For example, I choose the cheaper one. And click Pay. Select a payment method, wallet or credit or debit card or bank transfer. For example, I select bank transfer and Bank Central Asia. And click Confirm at the bottom. And the last steps, just to make payment to virtual account. And after you complete your payment, the campaign of your promotion video will running. So that's all the tutorial on how to advertise on TikTok. Hopefully it's easy to do, and don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.